The Indian Air Force has said that the Israeli Heron Mark II drones showcased remarkable performance during high-altitude operations at 32,000 feet from a forward air base in the northern sector. During the second India-UK 2+2 Foreign and Defence Dialogue in New Delhi, UK has expressed strong support for Rolls-Royce's proposal to collaborate with DRDO on developing a sixth-generation jet engine for AMCA. Indian Navy's Marcos and US Navy SEALs have concluded Exercise Sangam 2024 in Goa, boosting teamwork and maritime security skills. The Indian Navy is exploring the induction of a new class of autonomous submarine vessels in the 100-ton range that will bolster coastal defense and conduct operations in shallow waters. The Indian Army is procuring air-burst ammunition for the 30mm cannons on the BMP-2 vehicles, with enhanced capabilities to neutralize aerial threats like drones. General Electric has committed to deliver 24 to 26 F404 engines annually from 2026. That will meet 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets and 97 more Mark 1A units within a 7 to 8 year window. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has commissioned INS Tushil multi-role frigate into the Indian Navy, and he will also discuss the delay of 2 remaining squadrons of S-400 and spares of Su-30 aircraft and T-90 tanks. The Indian Army has developed a kamikaze drone costing just 30,000 rupees that has a speed of 40 meters per second, a range of 1.5 kilometers, and can carry up to 700 grams of explosives. Economic Explosives Ltd has created a 1.4 kilometers runway and testing facility for long-range drones, which is the biggest such Indian facility in the private sector. India's AMCA stealth fighter jet project is set to incorporate concealed chaff countermeasure flares and radio frequency countermeasures to enhance its survivability in contested airspace. The AMCA will feature towed decoy doors that remain closed during normal operations to preserve its stealth characteristics, and these doors will open only when deploying countermeasures, ensuring that the aircraft radar cross-section remains minimal during combat. The radio frequency countermeasures is designed to neutralize threats posed by radar-guided surface-to-air missiles and air-to-air missiles. The AMCA will also deploy advanced chaff countermeasure flares that are designed to mislead infrared-guided missiles and other tracking systems by creating false targets or obscuring the aircraft position. Following the successful test of India's hypersonic long-range anti-ship missile, the DRDO is shifting its focus on Project Dhvani to develop hypersonic glide vehicles. The DRDO is exploring 3 key configurations: the conical body hypersonic glide vehicle, winged body hypersonic glide vehicle with delta wings, and blended body hypersonic glide vehicle. While the conical body design may serve as an entry point system for reliability and simplicity, the winged and blended body configurations offer superior performance for advanced mission profiles. The dry Kaveri engine has recently achieved up to 50 kN in ground trials, and with the integration of a new afterburner section, GTRE expects the engine to produce 80 kN of thrust, and this performance upgrade is vital for fulfilling the operational requirements of Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. GTRE has initiated discussions with Hindustan Aeronautics and Indian Air Force to conduct flight tests using a Mig-29 aircraft that will help assess the Kaveri engine's performance alongside the RD-33 engine. Today's top 3 comments.